Hi guys, this is Bhavin Patel. I have completed my task 4, that is exploratory data analysis on terrorism. This is the GREEP task 4 in GREEP April 21. Uh, the main task is for performing exploratory data analysis on dataset global terrorism. Its query having as a security defense analyst try to find out the hot zone of terrorism and what all security issues and insights you can derive by exploratory data analysis. I have used Jupyter Notebook, that is from Python, as a tool, and used the online dataset which is provided in the task 4. Let's start. So I have imported the important libraries from Python, that is NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn, because this is a particularly task of exploratory data analysis. Let me import it. Then import the local database. I have imported the local database with low memory is equal to false, because the database is having lots of data in it. Now I have separated the comma separated file using this for loop. As you can see, I have displayed all of the columns which are derived from this dataset. This is the description of dataset. Let me store some columns in the columns variable. Let me display the dataset. This is the shape of dataset. Uh, Let me filter the columns which are having 15 millions of records, greater than 15 millions of records, which are null. So I don't want this kind of the columns which is having 15 million null records. So I have filtered that columns in calls variable which is having of type list. I have executed it and stored that columns, dropped that columns particularly, and stored the usable columns in data variable. Now the shape of data is as per view on the display. This is the columns, this is the head. Let me check for the null dataset. These are the filtering of countries which most terrorist attacks. Now filtering country names from countries with most terrorist attacks. Now let me plot the data to the bar graph for data of countries which most terrorist attacks. As you can see on the graph, Iraq is having most of the attacks, and at the second part of Pakistan is also having the second type of terrorist attack from all around the world, and the data is provided. Now filtering country data. I have filtered the country data using easin function. Let me store some data countries to the columns. This is the raw data. Mm, Displaying years with most number of terrorism activities happen. I have displayed the bar graph in year 2014. There is maximum terrorism attacks are happens. As per the above bar graph, it is clearly shown that in 2014 is the most affected year for terrorist attacks. Now let's go for top 10 targets that are attacked most by terrorists. So private citizens and property. As per the above graph, it is states that private citizens and property has been targeted most by the terrorists. The same has been presented by pie charts also. So pie charts is provided 26% of 26.5% private citizens and property is also affected for the terrorist effect. After that, the second number, police is also attacked by the terrorist. As per the above pie chart, it is states that private citizens and properties has been targeted mostly by the terrorists. Let's check for the top 5 most attacks actioned by terrorists with particularly materials and weapons. So, as per the graph, we can say that the explosives attacks are the attacks mostly done by the terrorists. Then after, at the second number, there is the firearms which are attacked by the terrorist attacks. The same has been displayed on the pie chart, that is 53.9%, almost 54% of attacks has been attacks by uh, explosives by terrorists. Top 10 most of the attacks actioned by the terrorists are bomber, bombing and explosion, armed assaults, assassination, hostage taking, facilitating, infrastructure attack, and so on. So as per the above graph, we can say that using bombing explosion, terrorist attacks have been executed. The same has been also presented on pie chart. 10 most cities where terrorist attacks actioned. So there are ultimately unknown cities which are frequently used in the data set. That's why unknown is showing the highest number of attacks. Then after, Baghdad is on the second number, which is the most terrorist, which is having the most terrorist attacks in that. Most 10 type of attacks actioned by the terrorists are also presented by the pie chart. Now we are filtering the data by terrorist attacks on religion, figures, or institutions wise. So let me plot the bar graph for that. So Iraq and Pakistan is having number 1 and number 2 respectively with most terrorism on religion figures, while Pakistan is the second most country as per the bar graph. The same has been displayed on the pie chart. So in a summarization, we can say that Iraq is the first most country which is with most terrorism on religious figures, while Pakistan is the second most country as per the bar graph. Both of these countries are having uh, maximum of religious attacks. That's all from my side, guys. Thank you so much.